Was traveling to Mombasa with his mother when all of this happened, so they were caught out in Mombasa. They are still there. And because of now the confinement rules that we have put, they can't move back. And he decided one day that he wants to go out. And I asked him a personal question, and I told him, you know, it's fine, because it was reported to me by some other fellows that he had done that. So I said, okay, you've gone out, right? You've had your fun and you've enjoyed yourself, right? But now you've come back and you're with your grandmother. Your grandmother is 80 plus, right? If something happens to your grandmother as a result of what you have done, yeah? How will you live with yourself? It is that son of mine I was telling you about, who has to ask himself, yeah? That's where you are. You can't come home, you are with your grandmother. Your grandmother's life is in your hands. You see, it's you to decide, yeah? And to ask yourself, if something were to happen, how are you going to live with yourself, yeah? Just because of one evening out, to go and see your girlfriend or go and see what? And as we come closer to reopening our economy, I want to go back to what I've just told you. This shall be a factor of our personal responsibility. Because we have seen those countries that have basically reopened. And what has happened? We have seen a second wave. We have seen a surge, yeah, of this disease. Germany is a perfect example. I want you to come. I want you to share a meal with me. I want you to partake and we develop together. But in my home, these are the protocols you're going to have to observe. Yeah? And that does not mean I hate you. Yeah? Just like you will go to your neighbor's house. Yeah? If your neighbor's house, the wife tells you, before you enter my house, remove your shoes at the door. You remove your shoes and before you go in.